Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add or update your phone number type on LinkedIn using your PC, following the platform's latest update. This is a handy feature if you want to make sure your contact details are clear and professional on your profile. First, open LinkedIn on your browser and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on your homepage, look to the top right corner and click on the Me icon. This is where you access your personal settings and profile options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account preferences where you can customize various aspects of your profile. In the Settings menu, find and click on Name, Location, and Industry under the Account Preferences section. This is where you manage basic information about yourself, including your contact details. Scroll down until you see the Edit Contact Info option and click on it. Here, you can update your phone number and other contact information. Now, look for the Phone Type drop-down menu. This new update allows you to specify the type of phone number you're adding, whether it's a mobile, home, or work number. Choose the option that best fits your phone number. After selecting the phone type, review your information to make sure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, confirm the changes by clicking the appropriate Save or Confirm button. And that's it. Your phone number type is now updated on your LinkedIn profile, making it easier for your connections and potential employers to understand the best way to reach you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more LinkedIn tips and updates.